Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming power and physical integrity. Do this before changing settings. Once powered, visually inspect both ends of the VGA cable and the monitor port for bent pins or debris. Make sure the VGA connectors seat firmly and the thumb screws are tight. A loose plug mimics display failure. If you have a spare VGA cable or spare monitor, swap them now to isolate the cable from the GPU and monitor. This fast elimination saves time and narrows the fault. Once you know the cable and ports look good, follow the signal path through adapters and drivers. You must confirm the monitor is set to VGA input and the GPU is outputting analog. Use the display's input menu. If you're using adapters, DVI to VGA or HDMI to VGA, choose an active converter rather than passive dongles because analog/digital conversion needs power. Make sure your graphics drivers are current. If the issue started after an update, roll back the driver and reboot to test. To finish, you tighten, replace, or reroute. Replace any suspect VGA cable, secure the connectors, and avoid sharp bends or interference sources. Then, boot and adjust resolution and refresh rate to the monitor's native specs. Mismatched modes can result in no image. If problems persist, switch GPU ports or try a powered active adapter to ensure correct signal conversion. Troubleshooting tip: if the image is intermittent, test with another display or a powered adapter first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.